local one. So I booked this last night. Thought I'd come camping after work. It's Friday, so yeah, I thought I'd just book it last. I've booked it last minute. Just finished work and just headed down to a local campsite. I don't know if you remember, I did a video in the winter time with my son, and it was raining all day, well, all afternoon and all night, and in the morning it sort of brightened up and I'd got a picture of the rainbow. But yeah, we're at that campsite again. Yeah, it's just a last minute camp out basically. But I bought the Helm 2 trusty tent, lots of space, so I've just pitched it. So but yeah, look at these views again. Another place with great scenery. Can't moan with where I live. But yeah, we're in the adjacent field to where all the yurts and bell tents and stuff are, which look quite cool as well actually. But yeah, right, I'm gonna set all my stuff up inside my tent and I'll bring you back in a bit. All pitched up. So inside, what I've brought with me today is my pillow, inflatable pillow. New one, new sleeper mat, Template sleeper mat. OEX Fathom 400 synthetic field sleeping bag, and underneath is just my closed cell foam mat. But yeah, this is the new edition. Try it. It's very thick. It's quite lightweight as well. Packs away quite small. Just need to blow up a bit more and I'll try it in a minute. But yeah, didn't want to bring my down sleeping bag because it's quite a hot one at the moment. Might get a bit chillier later, but all my sleeping stuff, got my snood, fleece jacket, booties, don't think I need those, and my down coat, and eye mask, so I get woke up with the light shining in the tent. Food wise, I've got burgers, so I'm going to start cooking those. Hungry. But yeah, look forward to my sleep tonight. Cheers. So all set up. Time to relax. So yeah, I haven't been well for a couple of days, so I've had a couple of days off work to sort of recover. Just just a bad stomach, and but I feel a bit better. It's probably the best day I've had for a couple of days. Felt alright. Wind's picked up a little bit, but nothing major, just a little bit of breeze. I'm gonna start cooking some food in a minute. So I'm out with Sam again. He's brought his Mountain Spring tent. I don't know what the Mountain Spring something, I can't remember. But he's seen it at the Outdoor Expo. So we've seen the TFS Saga, which he's bought, and he's also bought the Mountain Spring tent that we've seen at the Outdoor Expo. So yeah, he's trying that one out today. I'm just in the Helm 2 again, so I might shop around, see if I can get another tent somewhere. So it's using the same tents. It's not boring for me, because I know they're trusty little homes. But I might get something else to try out. But if you know of any tents that I could try out and buy, let me know in the comments. Oh. But yeah, I'm just going to sit here for a minute, enjoy my beer, enjoy the scenery, and I'll bring you back. Yeah, what a spot. Ugh. Second beer in, and we're still sat down talking crap. So, are you pleased with your tent?
Which one?
That one.
Oh, yeah. It's undeniably the most beautiful tent ever made.
I couldn't figure out what it's called. Mountain Spring. What is it?
Dufeng Pro.
Dufeng Pro.
Yeah, or the DF Pro.
And you've seen it at the Outdoor Expo, and you fell in love with it.
I did, yeah. Although the one we saw at the expo was a little bit different.
Had the carbon fibre poles, didn't it?
Yeah. I went for the DAC Featherlight poles, which doesn't raise the weight up much. I think it's still under 1.2. That's including the footprint. So yeah, it's nice.
Got a bit chillier now. I won't need to turn it off. So yeah, it's got a bit chillier now. So we've wrapped up a little bit warmer. Sun's gone down. So just watch the sunset. And a few more beers. So I think the bell tents on the other field when you first drive in. I think they're all being used now, which is nice to see. People enjoying the outside. But I think we're going to just wait till it gets a little bit darker, chat a bit more rubbish, head on into the tents, just catching up with each other, enjoying a Friday night. Nice to go out after a week at work, really, on a Friday. I haven't done this, well, I don't think I've ever done it, to be fair. It's nice to go out straight after work. Last minute decision. But when I'm getting back in my tent, I'll switch you back on, have a bit more of a chat with you. Well, you probably can't see me much, but we've retired back to our tents. Temperature's dropped quite a bit, so putting all my long johns on, booties, fleece jacket, and my snood. But yeah, the temperature's dropped, so I'm going to make a cup of tea. Had a few beers, now I'm going to have a cup of tea and just just watch something on my phone probably. But yeah, stars are out, so if I said this last time but I didn't, I fell asleep. If I got the energy, I'll go out and do some do a star trail or something. I do like them. It feels warm already, getting in this tent. Looking forward to trying the sleeping mat out. New sleeping mat, the 10 play one. R value, I didn't tell you the R value. It's R value of 7.3, which is really good. It's a bit of a budget sleeping mat, but nice and thick. Nice and comfy. Good morning. Yeah, had a good night's sleep. Probably one of the best I've had actually. But yeah, the sleeping mat's still up, still inflated, which makes a change. And it's really warm as well. You can feel the heat underneath me, which is good. So that's still inflated. Good night's sleep. Yeah, one of the best. Ooh. Been sat here for a little while and just listen to the birds. I think the sun comes up in a minute, sunrise. Even though it looks like it is already. Yeah, what a nice sleep and what a good mat. Didn't have any luck with the Alpine Light Best Way. People were raving about it because it's a cheap one, and supposedly good, but it went down for me, so got a bad review for me. Got the OEX self-inflating mat, but I like using it and it is good, but it's very bulky. It takes up a lot of room in my backpack, so I won't be using that in June, that's for sure. But yeah, this one's good. Right, let's get up. Go see what Sam's doing. Got no condensation in here, which I'm quite surprised about because there's been no wind or anything. So I thought it would be, but dry as a bone inside, which is good. Alright, let's have a look at the view. I love waking up to that those sort of views. Yeah, I just packed away. So tent's all down, packed away in my bag. All my other bits are packed away. So the ground sheet is basically, we're just waiting for the ground sheet to dry in the sun. And then I'm gonna pack that away, go grab a coffee, head on back home. So thought I'd walk up this hill, just taking the views. But yeah, what a nice nice camp for to end the week. But I'm going to do this more often, I think, on a Friday after work. On the Thursday, get my stuff all packed and head on out for a camp. So usually go out on a Saturday. Yeah. Yeah, what a spot. So yeah, there's the actual what would you say, official campsite field with the bell tents and yurts and toilets, and we're in this field next to it, which we got permission to camp on. And that there is Duncliffe Woods, so it's good to wake up to that view. I've never been up there actually, but nice to see the sun sort of rising and shining onto the Duncliffe Woods. Yeah. But yeah, all packed away. Nice little break. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Yeah, bit of a short one, not that interesting, not like Dartmoor. Dartmoor, you got a lot more to get entertained by. I'll catch you on the next video. I hope you've enjoyed this one. Not that interesting, but if you have liked it, please like the video and please subscribe. It's a great feeling when you do it, and makes me want to go out and do a bit more, to be fair.